Hello, and welcome back to Tech Innovators. In today's episode, we're revealing the surprising story behind the iconic Windows Start menu, and it's not who you might think. Let's dive in. When you think of the Windows Start menu, you probably associate it with Bill Gates or Microsoft. But the real genius behind it was none other than Danny Oran, a behavioral psychologist who joined Microsoft in 1992. Oran's journey to creating the Start menu was anything but conventional. You see, Danny Oran had an unexpected start in the world of tech. At Harvard, Oran had worked on a project overseen by the renowned behavioral scientist B.F. Skinner. The question was, how would you teach chimps to talk? To tackle this, Oran built a wooden keyboard-like device to teach chimpanzees named Austin and Sherman how to communicate. Although the chimps didn't end up talking, the project gave Oran valuable insight into user-friendly design. Oran's initial task at Microsoft was to make Windows easier to use for non-technical people. At the time, Windows 3.1 had a reputation for being hard to use. Oran, a Mac enthusiast, had an outsider's perspective on Windows. During usability studies, he observed customers struggling to navigate the Windows desktop. Even a rocket scientist couldn't figure it out. It was clear the problem wasn't the users, it was the design. Oran had an epiphany on his commute. If users couldn't figure out where to go in Windows, it was a design failure. Drawing inspiration from his chimpanzee project, Oran envisioned a single button that would lead users to everything, just like teaching the chimp step by step. Initially named the System button, it was later renamed to Start, and it clicked with users right away. The other revolutionary concept was the taskbar. In Windows 3.1, users didn't know how many programs they had open, which slowed down their computers. Oran came up with the basic idea of a bar that showed what was running, similar to modern browser tabs, but it needed to be space efficient. The tabs became smaller buttons, and the Start menu and taskbar were combined into one thing at the edge of the screen. Oran left Microsoft in 1994 to continue his graduate studies. Today, he's using his expertise in behavioral science to fight suicide, a cause that's literally life and death. He reflects on his time at Microsoft with mixed feelings, but he knows that what he did had a lasting impact. As Oran says, the things you work on can have a surprising impact. The Windows Start menu is now an iconic part of computing history, all thanks to Danny Oran. If you enjoyed this story of tech innovation, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing stories. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.